Broadcast EDC back with another one, man. Got the KUBEY how you say it? Definitely this one will get you too. The Verijero, man. Looky there, little KUBEY titanium. This one's coming at you with the 14C on the steel, right at 148 bucks. A little steep for the with that steel price, but you can definitely, that's 148 on the KUBEY site, so you probably definitely find it somewhere a little bit cheaper. Let's hit those specs. 7.87 inches, blade length 3.35, handle 4.53 inches, and that blade 14C, like we hit on, coming in at HRC, it's 60.62 clip point blade with that is some pretty sweet looking belt satin. Does it feel? It don't feel as good as it looks, but it's still pretty good. Titanium handle. This is a right hander. You're not reversing it. Nice clean clip there. Titanium back spacer. Great reverse flick. Front flipper. Pretty good. You get it out with a thumb. If I don't get my finger off, so. Probably some practice with it. There you go. Frame lock. Got that nice big blue pivot. This thing is clean on the hardware. Look at this. Where is it? Looks like between the pivot and this rear back spacer, that's holding this puppy together. Billboarding. Nice little KUBEY there, the KB and the pivot. Nice maker's mark and a little 14C, nice and clean there. All four fingers sit back on the handle. You do have this flat area here to kind of grub up on. Nice jimping. Nice contouring up top. Hold your fingers in the forward gorilla grip you get back here. Nice and safe with the jimping. Feels solid. Lock up, no play. Side to side. Dead on center. Dead nuts maybe. That action is KUBEY specific, man. They hit it. Nice snap on the deploy. Oh yeah, she'd hurt you if you ain't careful on that sharpness. And that drop is nice and clean. Yep. Overall good feel, no hot spots in the handle. That clip is nice and smooth out in and out of the pocket. Don't really hang up on nothing. You do have a little bit of knife hanging out, but I think the deep carry sometimes is a little overrated. I dig the look of it from the profile with the back spacer cut out so that you could see it with the two-tone there, the blue. But I don't know, man. I'd almost damn near that be solid, and then instead of having a lanyard hole. But it does feel good in the hand in multiple grips. And this is brought to us by George Ovchinnikov. It is a China-made, and there's a lot of different variations on this. You have the flame titanium. You do have a blacked out model, and there is the opposite of this, like the reverse tux. So pretty nice little rig there. I kind of like it. 148 is a little steep. I don't know. Let me look real quick. Let's see. Slide over to White Mountain real quick. Yeah, 118. Then you throw promo code BROKE on it. You'll definitely knock off 18 bucks. It's a $100 bill. That is a winner chicken dinner at $100 bill. Titanium in that action. Plus, look, you can play the where's the hardware game. Solid lockup. Yeah, no complaints. What do you think of the Verijero? I hope I pronounced that right. Usually the J is a huh. It might be Verijero. Who knows? Verijero. I'd say Verijero. What do you think? Drop a comment. I like that blades, that belt satin. KUBEY's getting way better at that. It looks nice. Y'all, drop that comment. Hit that like button. Sub if you ain't subbed. Man, I've got good videos coming out all the time. Hit them shorts in the mornings. You know what I'm saying. Check out Knifeaholics on Saturday night. Y'all, stay sharp. Stay safe.